Hello everyone, Scott Gerson back from nycmathacademy.com. I am here to present another parenting tip for raising great students. Today, we have our second video in our series about writing adventures. What I'm going to show you is how to turn the journal you created last week into a free blog. I'm going to do a screen grab on my computer and show you step by step how to sign up and do one of these free blogs. Alright, I'll show you two options. Take your pick. Alright, I'll see you right around the corner. Bye.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get free blogs at blogger.com and tumblr.com. This way you can turn your writing adventures into real blogs for no money at all. Let's start with Blogger. So you go to blogger.com, you're going to see this video, this website. Right, you're going to want to sign in, create your own blog. So we're going to create our own blog, and this is powered by Google. So you can choose a Google Gmail if you have one, or if you don't have a Gmail, I'm going to show you how to get one real quick. So we're going to hit Create Account. All right, so you're going to want to create your own Google account. You need to fill in your name, a new username, password, birthday, gender, phone number, and your current email address. All right, once you do that, go ahead and click Next Step. There's some sensitive information here, so I'm going to cut the video here, fill this out myself, and we'll meet you back in just a second. All right, up we get a pop-up privacy terms. You have to agree to all this stuff. Go ahead and do that. And now we can get started. We're going to continue to Blogger. Okay, here you can create a profile, or you can create a limited blogger profile. Let's go ahead and create a profile. So we've got our name, male or female, and our birthday. Easy peasy. Create profile. Let's see, they want us to upload a picture. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Let's see, upload photo. Do I have any pictures of myself here? Well, let's put in a picture of my daughter. Why not? And save. Okay, so once we hit continue to Blogger, you're going to have the option to create a new blog. There's also a message about cookies up here. I'm not going to bother with it, so I'm going to create a new blog. So when we create our blog, it's going to come up with this screen. You have to give it a title. How about Writing Adventures? And then you need a blog address. So I'm going with My Writing Adventures Senses 123, and then it'll give you blogspot.com. And that is available. Then you just pick out the style you like. I'm going with Awesome Ink because it sounds awesome, and create blog. I don't want to buy a domain. Don't have to buy a domain. You can use the Blogspot one for free. All right, so there's no post, so let's create a new one. This is going to be our first writing journal. So what is it going to be called? How about we do a trip to the mall? All right, so now I want to put like a title in the blog. So my visit to the mall. And then down here, we're going to change the font again to normal and say something like, on Wednesday, we went to the mall, and then you finish your journal. So you can add pictures. So if you click this little button right here next to link, you can go ahead and choose a file. I'll put in the picture of my daughter again. And boom, there's a picture. What else can we do? We can do emojis. So click here, we have emojis, eyes and a tongue, and some hearts. All right, so now we have some emojis. You can add video next to the link here. We can upload video. All right, so you've got video, you got text, you got pictures, you got emojis, just about everything. And it works like any kind of word processor, excuse me, where if you spell something wrong, like spelling, it'll give you the little red line and show you spelled it wrong. So it's a nice little powerful program. And then when you're finished, you just click the button Publish. All right, and that's how you create a blog with blogger.com. So now let's switch over to Tumblr. So Tumblr is spelled TUMBLR.com. And again, we're going to click Sign Up. Okay, we want to get started. You can use the email you just created. Then you need to make up a password. I hope it doesn't show up on the screen. Let's find out. There we go. And a username. I'm going to go with what? Let's go with Emma's Happy Dad, since it won't let me put in the other one. And sign up. There we go. How old am I? I'm pretty old, 37. I understand the terms of service. Let's go next. And we're also not a robot. What? Select all the squares with the street signs. Here's a street sign, here's a street sign, here's a street sign. Verify. We're still not done? Okay. So now we have to select 5 different topics that we're into. Let's go with students. I like travel, education. What else? Books and libraries. That's cool. And we need one more. I like illustrations. All right. So there's 5. Now we click next. Is our little dashboard here. All right. So if we want to actually write our post, click on that little pencil. You want to do text, photo, quote, link, chat, audio, or video. We're going to do text. So our title is going to be a trip to the mall. And we're going to add some text. How about the day started with a long car ride to the mall. And then you can go ahead and finish your thing. But you can also change your title to bold, italicize, make it big, add links, lists, whatever you want to do. So over here on the side, you can add photos, videos, GIFs, and more. So if we click photos, again, I'll throw up my daughter, and boom. So a trip to the mall, the day started with a long car ride to the mall. And then you could have a picture of you guys in the car, right? Just adds a little more interest into your blog. So it's not just a story anymore. You've actually got a photo story. Or you can add your video. So the same button, one click, boom, video, paste or embed the code. So you have to have it on YouTube first. It's not as easy as the other site on Blogger. But I think the pictures look nicer. So anyway, once you're finished, you just hit post and you have created your first blog post. That's it. That's Tumblr. That's Blogger. Those are 2 free blogs you can use to get your child's writing onto the internet. Now, you can also interact with other blogs on here, so you're going to want to monitor this because they can go on to just about anything in the world and find out about anything. It's the internet after all. So if you don't want your child, on the internet at this point, you might want to just have them use your account, post it up on the blog so your family and friends can see it, but then don't let them, kind of discover other people's blogs on their own. So it's totally up to you, but this is a great way to save their work, not just in a notebook, but to add, other mediums like photos and videos. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you back here next week for another tip for raising great students. Bye.
Hey, I'm back. I forgot to mention that you can check out our other videos right here and right up here. And as always, you can subscribe right here to our channel. If you haven't checked out our new Math Academy yet, go to nycmathacademy.com and check it out. Have a good week. Bye.